We're here at Arc of Life Chiropractic Care in Ottawa, Ontario with Brenda. And Brenda, since you've been a patient of ours, what are some of the positive experiences that you have had?
Well, last summer I suffered two very bad back injuries, and it took me a long time to heal. And a couple of months ago, a friend of mine was telling me that he thought that I was walking all hunched over and very much like creeping along like a little old lady. And last weekend he mentioned that I was able to walk quite well now, and we were out delivering flyers, so I was walking several miles. And in any case, I just want to thank the staff and the chiropractors at Arc of Life for helping me get back on my feet. And since I've been coming here, I have been able to stand up straighter, walk better, walk for miles now, and just overall happy feeling because I'm not in so much pain and being able to get on with my life. I'm looking forward to where the next few months of treatments are going to take me.
Thank you for sharing your experiences with Brenda.
Thank you.